Actually, sir, you wanted someone for your household work, na? So God had sent me.
Yes, we have to clean the whole house. The house has not been cleaned for many days because the maid is on leave. So the whole house has to be cleaned.
Okay, sir, I will clean it.
How much time will you take and how much money will you take?
Sir, your home is so big, so it will take me 4-5 hours. And money, whatever you wish, you can give them to me.
No, I don't have that much time. You please finish all work in 2 and 3 hours because my wife is coming. And if she sees the house dirty, then she'll get very angry.
Sir, I have to clean properly. I have to clean everything one by one. But still, I will try my best. It will happen in 2 or 3 hours.
Okay, I'm coming from downstairs. Till then, you do the work.
Okay, sir.
The property is good. There is parking in it and everything is good. First, let him come, man. He always lies about it. Where is she going? And what is in her hand? Yes, you tell me by evening, okay? We both will go, man. Leave him. Auntie, what are you doing?
Sir, actually, pipe was leaking and it was stinking because of water. So, see, I have changed this.
You changed it, but it's not your work. It's the plumber's work. You just have to do the cleaning.
Yes, sir, I know. It is not my job, it's plumber's job. And my husband works as a plumber. By looking at him, I have also learned things. That's why I can also do this.
Wow, auntie, I'm seeing someone for the first time doing extra work. Otherwise, people just do their own work and just leave. And they also do only for formality.
No, sir, I'm not like that. If I see some work is there and it's not my job, still I do that. I took responsibility of cleaning and mopping of your home. But if I will see some other work, I will do that.
I'm seeing a woman like you for the first time. Okay, you tell me. It's been 3 hours since you started working, so tell me how much money. And all the work done, right?
Yes, sir. Everything is done. Your home was big, na? So I'm sorry it took me some time. And I never wanted that I should just do work like this. I did work properly.
I can see that, auntie. Today my wife will come and she'll be happy to see the house that you cleaned it so well. You tell me the amount.
Sir, whatever you feel you can give them to me.
Okay, you tell me how much is this for?
This is for 200 rupees.
Okay. Okay, tell me one thing. Will you work permanently here?
But sir, someone is working here for you.
Hey, auntie, what does she do? It's been a week since she disappeared. She is not answering the phone, nor did she tell that when she'll come, when she'll not come. And we are already very worried about her behavior. You tell me, will you do it?
Yes, sir, I will do that.
Okay. We used to give her 8,000 rupees for cleaning and dishes. We'll give you the same.
Thank you so much, sir. I was so much upset. I was looking for some work.
Auntie, there are very few people like you who give 100% to their work. Otherwise, people only do formality in the name of work. And my dad had once said that whatever work you'll get, just give your 100% in it. You don't know who will see you and when your fate will change. And this has happened with you. You have worked hard, you have done extra work because of which you are getting this job.
You are saying this true, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I will come from tomorrow and work.
Okay, here is your 1,000 rupees.
No, sir. No need of them. I will join the work from tomorrow.
You will come to work from tomorrow, right? Your job will start from tomorrow. You take the money for the work you have done today.
But sir, I am feeling there so much.
It's not too much, you keep it, okay?